You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all. Correctly, this is a genus of sharks, so a type of shark, also called white sharks. If you want to learn more animal names and more confusing pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Carcharodon is how it's pronounced, so it's not Carcha. Carcharodon. Stress on the K syllable there. How to pronounce English pronunciation. Carcharodon. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.